The Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan is a landmark economic initiative announced by the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi on 12th May 2020 during the unprecedented global crisis caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. Launched as a comprehensive relief package, the program involves an allocation of Rs 20 lakh crore, accounting for nearly 10% of India's gross domestic product. The scheme aims to strengthen India's economic system, promote self-reliance across sectors, and provide a renewed impetus to the country's developmental journey in a post-pandemic world. In this article, we are going to cover Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, its objective, features, and pillar of the scheme. Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. The Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan shows a transformative vision for India, aiming to revive the economy, promote domestic production, and integrate the country into global supply chains while maintaining self-reliance. With targeted interventions across sectors, the initiative is designed to create jobs, enhance liquidity, boost manufacturing, and strengthen governance systems. This campaign gives an opportunity to transform India's crisis into a chance for economic restructuring and domestic growth, reflecting the philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, meaning the world is one family, drawn from the Maha Upanishad. Far from advocating isolationism, Atmanirbhar Bharat emphasizes strategic self-reliance, leveraging indigenous resources, strengthening domestic industries, and enhancing India's position in the global supply chain. Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan objectives. The primary objectives of the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative can be categorized as follows: strengthening domestic manufacturing and services. The program seeks to empower local manufacturers, service providers, and small businesses, thereby reducing dependency on imports. Enhancing economic self-reliance. By boosting indigenous production, the campaign aims to create a self-sufficient economy capable of meeting domestic demand without over-reliance on external markets. Global supply chain integration. India aspires to become a global manufacturing and supply chain hub, facilitating the export of high-quality domestic products. Revival of the economy post-pandemic. Through fiscal stimulus and targeted interventions, the program addresses economic disruption caused by COVID-19, ensuring a sustainable recovery. Focus on land level liquidity reforms and laws. The initiative emphasizes comprehensive economic reforms, regulatory simplification, and the modernization of policies to support growth. Incentivization of farmers and small enterprises. Special schemes and financial packages are designed to mitigate the losses suffered by farmers, MSMEs, and street vendors during the pandemic. Overall improvement in living standards. By creating employment opportunities, enhancing production capacities, and increasing accessibility to essential services, Atmanirbhar Bharat aims to improve the quality of life for Indian citizens. Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan features. The Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative includes many important features designed to make India self-reliant. Job creation. Funding under MG Narega was increased by Rs 40,000 crore to generate employment opportunities in rural areas, addressing labor shortages and supporting the livelihood of migrant workers. The Atmanirbhar Bharat Rozgar Yojana was launched to formalize employment and incentivize job creation in the formal sectors. Strengthening healthcare infrastructure. The scheme allocated Rs 900 crore to the Department of Biotechnology for research and development of COVID-19 vaccines. Investment in healthcare systems were increased to enhance pandemic preparedness, capacity building, and public health initiatives. Reform in education. Digital and technology-driven education was prioritized through initiatives like PM eVidya, Swayam Prabha, DTH channels, and other online education portals. The focus is on ensuring equitable access to quality education, particularly in rural and underserved regions. Ease of doing business. Simplification of rules and regulation, particularly in the construction, real estate, and stressed enterprises sectors, facilitates smoother business operations. Relaxation of general financial rules, GFR, and reforms in the insolvency and bankruptcy code support financial sustainability and reduce procedural hurdles. Financial support to industries. Introduction of Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme 2.0 to support 26 state sectors identified by the Kamat Committee. Policies under public sector enterprise PSC reforms incentivize domestic industries and promote self-reliance. Boost to agriculture. The government provided an additional working capital of Rs 30,000 crore through NABARD to support farmers, benefiting around 3 crore individuals. Development of a Rs 10,000 crore scheme for micro food enterprise MFE formalizes small scale food businesses and strengthens rural entrepreneurship. Support to state governments. Borrowing limits for states were increased from 3% to 5% for the financial year 2020-21, ensuring better liquidity for local development and pandemic management efforts. Indigenization of the defense sector. Aligned with the version of Atmanirbhar Bharat, the defense public sector undertaking have indigenized 72 items, making sure that their manufacturing will take place exclusively in India. This move promotes domestic enterprises, reduce dependency on foreign imports, and strengthen India's defense capabilities. The indigenization policy also encourages private sector participation and innovation in defense technology. 5 focus pillars of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. The Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan anchored on 5 strategic pillars which guide its implementation across sectors. Economy. The initiative aims for a quantum leap in economic growth, converting adversity into opportunities while expanding domestic production and investment. Infrastructure. Investment in modern infrastructure serve as a foundation for new India, enhancing connectivity, logistics, and industrial efficiency. Systems. Adoption of 21st century technology and innovative governance system replaces outdated methods and regulatory processes. Democracy. A robust democratic framework provides the energy and institutional mechanism necessary for self-reliance. Demand. Leveraging domestic demand intelligently ensure that production capacities are fully utilized while stimulating consumption. Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan importance. The Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan initiative holds strategic and economic importance for India, increasing domestic manufacturing share. Despite consistent GDP growth, the manufacturing sector has remained stagnant over the last decade. Atmanirbhar Bharat seeks to increase its contribution to gross value added, reducing import dependence. Encouraging the consumption of indigenous products reduces trade deficits and strengthens fiscal stability, promoting local enterprises. The initiative incentivizes small and medium businesses, farmers, and micro enterprises to engage in domestic production. Policy reforms. By modernizing supply chains, rationalizing taxes, and simplifying laws, the campaign promotes a strong, transparent, and growth-oriented financial system. Cultural alignment. The program emphasizes self-reliance in alignment with India's cultural and philosophical ethos as highlighted by the Sanskrit phrase from the Mundaka Upanishad meaning self-sufficient India. Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan benefits. The Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan offers multiple benefits to the Indian economy. Job creation generates employment in manufacturing, agriculture, and under MG Narega. Credit support provides security and credit facilities to MSMEs and state industries. Economic stimulus infuses liquidity into banking and financial system to stimulate production and demand. Support for migrant workers. Direct cash transfer enhance consumption and reduce vulnerability. Private sector participation opens strategic sectors like space and coal to private investment. Healthcare enhancement strengthen the country's health infrastructure and pandemic preparedness. Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan challenges in implementation. Despite its promise, many challenges impede the full potential of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Overestimation of package size. Economists note that actual government expenditure is closer to 1% of GDP as the package includes RBI action and not directly funded by the government. Delayed credit effects. While DBTs ensure direct spending reaches citizens, credit easing through banks may take time due to cautions, leading practices. Demand side limitation. The package focuses primarily on supply side measures with limited direct stimulus to boost consumer demand. State government support. Inadequate transfer of funds to states hampers localized pandemic response and development initiatives.